For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paperclips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paperclips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paperclip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. I had a special request from XYShadow to make a flame ring. So we're going to take the paperclip and I'm just going to curve it around and then curve it out. And then to make the tip of the flame, we're going to take our tweezer nose pliers and bend it back, pinch it down, bring it out, and bend it around, and then up this way. Curve it. This one we want a little higher, so we'll take that, bend it down again, pinch it, bring it out, bring this one around, and then below here we're going to curve it out again. So curve it out here. We'll do one more flame, bring this to the back, pinch it, bring this out, and then we're going to curve it around so it looks like fire. This one we can bring in that way a bit. We can adjust this up a little bit if we like. And get your ring cone or the round form, bring it all the way around. Take your round pliers, curve it out, wiggle this around, and there you have your fire ring. And make it a little smaller if you need the band to be bigger.